Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're showing off this Walthers Proto U30B painted for the Iowa Railroad Company. We had custom decals made and I custom mixed the paint to match the prototype. The prototype did not last very long. The Iowa Railroad Company took over for the bankrupt Rock Island and certain places in Iowa, and while it was short-lived, the locomotives were very unique and part of the history there in Iowa. So we're happy to get this project completed for the customer back in Iowa. It features ESU Loc Sound version 5, integrated Keep Alive, a Railmaster speaker, and of course, LED upgrades. So there you have it, another really unique custom job for the Iowa Railroad Company. Thanks guys.